Hello, Deakster here. A recent update to Android version 14 has rendered the inability for me or anybody else to take a photograph or an image. Let's take this one here, which is my new mascot for FS Hot called Blippi that I'm working on. Up until this update, I could literally go in to the three dots in the top right hand corner and then add to album, and this album down here, which I'm not going to click, is actually on the cloud. I wanted to actually put it on the FS Hot album that I created for all my usual stuff that's stored locally on the device. So how can we move this from here to the location that I want? Well, to do that we can go into Files, which is here, and then if we go into internal storage, we have the DCIM, and then we have camera, and then here you can see that is Blippi, the robot that I want to move. So again, top right hand corner, three dots, and then I can either copy or move to, and then I'm going to go into pictures, and then here I have the FS Hot album, which is internal, and then click move here at the bottom of the screen. And then all I need to do now is go back to Google Photos. You can see that it's gone. If I go into my collection, and then you have a folder here that's now called On This Device. If I click that and then go into the FS Hot, you can see Blippi has now been transferred to the internal folder that I wanted. Hope you enjoyed this, and if you found it useful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe and comment.